Hello, you are welcome to God's Kitchen. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Nigerian white okra that draws very well, because some people believe that their okra cannot draw without using potash. But in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your okra draw so well without using potash. And if today is your first time here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my delicious and simple recipes. Yes, now to make a very nice okra, all you need is a fresh okra, and then you need salt, you need iru, which is locust beans if you like to eat it. Some people don't. We need baking soda, we need seasoning, which could be chicken bouillon, which could be Maggi seasoning or no seasoning. It depends on what you love. And you can cut your okra into any shape or size that you like, but I usually love to cut mine like this. You can run it in your blender, just run it. Some people love to blend it smooth, but it depends on the choice. After cutting the okra, I have a bowl of water which I'm going to be pouring it into directly, and that will help the okra to start, softening and start, drawing up immediately. Add some more water and some salt and stir it very well to activate the sliminess. So after cutting the okra, you add some baking soda and some dawa, which is locust beans or iru if you like it. Then you sear it and let it stand for like 10 to 15 minutes before you transfer it on the stove. Here we can see how green and how fresh it is. It's because of the baking soda. So baking soda is better than using potash, and it's even cheaper as well, and it's more healthy in the body than potash. So we have to continue to stir it. So when you are making the white okra like this, you cannot leave it because it's going to just overflow and spill over. So you have to stay there and continue to stir it, and stirring it will help the sliminess to continue to, come the more. So this okra has been cooking for like 5 minutes. So now I'm going to be checking the readiness, whether it is cooked well or not. So stirring the okra like this will help the pieces to continue to break down, because once okra is cooked and it's going to break down. So the okra is a lot, so I'm going to be pouring some in this plate to save it in the freezer. So right now, the okra is ready, and you can serve it with any stew to enjoy any swallow food. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to God's Kitchen, and share it with someone who loves Nigerian food. Drop a comment below if you love okra soup with a pounded yam or amala. And if you are going to be making it for the first time, you let us know how you are going to make it. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. You can watch more videos on my channel for your enjoyment, and remain blessed. See you in my next. Bye-bye.